What's up, YouTube friends? Welcome back. So today I have Modelones in the house and I'm super excited about it because I think that this is the ultimate all-in-one polygel kit for beginners. I have yet to see one top this. I personally thought that this kit had everything a beginner would need to do their nails, and the fact that it had 20 polygels in it just seems extremely generous to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna list in the description box, the link to this and everything. And to top it off, girl, the price was right, girl. Modelones, come on down, claim your price, because I was impressed. $49.99. I thought that was a good deal. For all this, what? Anywho, we got mini light, dual forms, nail tip guides for French manicures. We got top coat and base coat. Girl, I don't know if the top coat's non-wipe or not. I gotta check into that. Nail art. Listen, I am a strong believer in nail art, and I think they should be in every polygel kit. I think it's just something that should just come in the kit. Like, hello, we need nail art. Like, what? We have a nail brush and picker, which is pretty standard for most polygel kits. Although there is kits that you can get that just have polygel, they don't have anything else. That's like somebody who already has everything. Like, they're just like, oh, I just want these colors kind of deal. There's striping tapes, which I also feel like is quite repetitive in these polygel kits, and it's always gold and silver. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we got some rhinestones, some nail forms if you like forming. I don't know the grid of this file, but I'll find out. Some clips to hold down your dual forms. Also some slip solution, these two cute little bottles, which is mandatory obviously to move your product. You can also use alcohol or whatever if you don't have anything else. A cuticle pusher and a cuticle remover. I love these little tools. They're so handy, so useful. And also some tweezers. This is the last product in this box. Okay, so this is everything that came in this box, you guys. Now we're going to get into this light. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. I might put it aside. I'm not sure. I might give it away. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. But it is a USB. Comes with an instruction manual. Oh, yeah. Shows you everything about it. All the details will be listed in the description box about everything that I have here. The link to this box, if it's still available on Amazon. I don't have any discount codes or anything, like I said. One good thing about these polygels is they're all individually wrapped, so if like one busts open, it's not going to destroy everything else that's in that bag, you know what I mean? And also, let me know your guys' honest opinion about this kit. Let me know if you think this is like the ultimate polygel starter kit for a beginner, like the all-in-one polygel kit, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think about that. Like, be honest, do you think $49.99 is a good price for this kit? Because I thought it was a good price. But I haven't seen anything that tops this kit either. So let me know if you have something that's topped it, because I haven't seen anything. I'm going to swatch all these colors. I'm going to take them all out of their packages, and then I'm going to swatch them. And then I'll be back to show you guys the final look of these polygels and all the beautiful colors. I personally absolutely love this kit. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you and your support. Let me know if this is something that you would purchase. Let me know if you think that this kit was worth it for $49.99. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.